In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack with Jira using the Atlassian Marketplace. To follow along, start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and navigating to the channel where you want to use the Jira integration. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or a general channel where you discuss work items. It doesn't really matter which channel you start in, because you can use the integration across your workspace, but choosing a relevant project channel makes it easier to see the value right away. Once you're in the channel, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section for apps. Depending on your Slack layout, you might see an apps button under the channel list, or you might see an apps option at the top of the channel pane. Click on apps. If you don't see it immediately, try hovering near the bottom of the sidebar. Sometimes Slack hides it behind a small menu link. After clicking apps, Slack will open the app browser or app panel. This is where you can discover, manage, and add apps to your workspace. If you see another apps option or a link to browse more apps, click that as well. The goal is to get to the section where you can search for new apps to install. Next, look for an option to add new apps. This is typically labeled Add Apps or something very similar. Go ahead and click on Add Apps. This will open Slack's app directory inside the workspace where you can search for integrations. In the search bar that appears, start typing the word highlight. As you type, Slack will show you matching apps and integrations from its directory. Among the results, look for the app named Jira Integration Plus. This is the app that connects your Slack workspace with your Jira instance and lets you create, view, and manage Jira issues directly from Slack messages. Once you see Jira Integration Plus in the results, click on it. This will open the app's detail page, where you can read a short description, see screenshots, and confirm it's the correct integration. On the app page, click on the button labeled Add to Slack. This tells Slack you want to install the integration in your workspace. You may be redirected to a page that confirms the app details and asks for permissions. From there, you'll be taken to the Atlassian Marketplace listing for Slack integration with Jira. On this page, click on Try It Free. This will start the trial process and walk you through connecting your Jira site to Slack, completing the setup of the integration.